Wrench emoji. How to uninstall an above-range microwave warning emoji. Safety first. Unplug the microwave from the outlet if accessible. If the plug is hidden behind the unit and can't be reached until the microwave is removed, switch off the kitchen breaker for safety. Have one helper. These microwaves are heavy, 25 to 35 kilograms. White check mark emoji. Tools you'll need. Phillips screwdriver. Flat screwdriver. Drill, optional, for mounting screw step stool. Towel or box to support the microwave as it comes down. Hammer and wrench emoji. Step-by-step removal 1. Remove the front grill. Open the microwave door. You'll see 2 to 3 screws holding the top vent grill, usually Phillips head. Remove these screws. Take off the grill. 2. Remove the control panel screw. On the right side behind the grill, there will be 1 screw holding the control panel. Remove that screw. Gently lift the control panel up and pull outward. You don't need to disconnect wires, just let it hang. For some models, this step may not be required. 3. Locate the top mounting screws. Open the overhead cabinet above the microwave. Inside you'll find 2 long screws going down into the top of the microwave. Support the microwave with your helper while you unscrew them. Remove the screws slowly. The microwave will begin to tilt forward. 4. Tilt and lift the microwave off the wall bracket. Once the top screws are out, the microwave will pivot downward on the rear wall bracket. Tilt it forward gently. Lift it upward about 1 to 2 centimeters to free it from the wall bracket hooks. 5. Disconnect the power cord. Pull the microwave away from the wall so you can access the plug. Unplug it. 6. Remove the wall bracket, optional if you want to take down the metal mounting bracket. Remove the screws holding it to the wall. Party popper emoji. Done. Your above-range microwave should now be fully uninstalled.